Okay. So, have you guys solved questions? Hi Adi, good, good, I'm good, I'm good. Have you solved questions? Tell me. I did. Okay, Akhil. Anyone else? Anyone else? Good evening, Chetan. Good evening. So, guys, today we'll see some AP problems and then we'll see GP, general term, and property of GP. So, we have a question here. I hope you have tried this one. Okay, sir, I'm well, good. Okay, okay, try solving this one. Solve the question. Warm up, question, warm up. How many of you at least tried? Means solved or not, doesn't matter. Anyone? The question is, suppose a1, a2, an be arithmetic progression in arithmetic progression, right, of natural numbers. If the ratio of sum of first 5 terms, to the sum of first 9 terms of the progression is 5 by 17. Okay, 5 by 17. Sum of first 5 term. We have a1, a2, a3 and an. Correct? Now let's take sum of first 5 term. S5. It is given S5 by S9. Okay, that is 5 by 17. 5 by 17. And A15 is given 110 less than A15 less than 120. Then the sum of first 10 terms of the progression is equals to. Okay, simple information is given, everything is given.
Sir,
Just
I'm almost finished. 5 by 2.
okay, I'm just waiting, do it.
4 38, Sir, 380.
380. Yes, I think so. 380. Correct. 380 is the answer. How you solved?
Sir, first we do 5 by 2 into 2a plus 40 divided by 9 by 2 into 2a plus 80 equal to 5 by 70. We equate the terms. We get d equal to 4a 85a plus 1. Then we substitute, then we do the sum of 10 terms, 10 by 2 into 2a plus nd. We'll get 38a. We'll then put the value of 4a into the equation, then we get 38a into 5, then 190, and then 190. We'll take, since it is 110 and 120, I think we have to put 190 into 2, 380.
Okay. So S5 means A1 plus 4D, A1 plus 8D equals to 5 by 17, correct? So we can write 17A1 plus 68D, then 5A1 plus 40D. Now what to do? Is it? Sorry, we have to take the sum. Sorry. I am taking. So 5 by 2, correct? 5 by 2, 2A, 2A1 plus 4D. Then we have 9 by 2, 2A1 plus 8D. And then 5 by 17. So just multiply by 5. So 10A1 plus 20D. 20D. Then we have 18A1 plus 72D. Then 5 by, or should I just cancel? Oh, I think we should cancel. 5 and 5 gone. Do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication 34. 34A1. 68D. Okay. Then we have 9 2s are 18. 18 into 2. 18. 9 2s are 18. 18 into, this is gone, no? 18. A1 and 72 now. Is it correct? Check, please check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have how much this side? This side 16 A1, and here we have 4D. Correct? 4. So D we have 4A1. D is 4A1. Correct. Now we have one more information, A15. A15 means A1 plus 14D. Correct? We have 1 1 0 and 1 2 0. Tell me. So this is 1 1 0, A1 plus D is 4A. Should I write 56A1? Okay. So 1 1 0, 57A1 and 120. So we can take A1 110 by 57 and 120 by 57. I think 1 and 2. Is it? Between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. 2 point something. Correct? 1 point something and 2 point something. So
Yes, so
which
first
one?
we got 1.9. The first one, that 110 by 57 is 1.9.
Sorry, this is 57, not 52. So this one is 1.9.
1.92.
Let's say this is A1 and this one 2 point something.
Yes, sir.
2 point.
2.1.
1.
10.
So I think we should take A1 equals to 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A1 should be 2.
Yeah.
A1 should be 2. Correct? A1 should be 2 in between, because we have to take natural numbers. Right?
Yes.
Natural numbers. So A1 should be 2. Correct? So if A1 is 2, tell me about D. So D is 8. D is 8. Now we have to find the sum of first 10 term of the progression. First 10 term. So S 10. 10 by 2. 2 into 2 plus 9 into 8. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think this 2 5. 4 plus 72. 5 into 76. Correct? 380. 380. This is 380. So the answer is A. Answer is A. See, question is simple, not that tough, right? Next we have this. I think we have solved already this question. Okay, N was 21. If you remember,
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is done. Now, for these type of questions, guys, for these type of question means whenever they ask you something that this is in AP, prove that this is also in AP. Okay, in that case, what we do? We all know if A, B, C are in AP. Okay, so we can add something to it. Yes or no? They will remain in AP. We can subtract. Okay, we can subtract the same number. They will remain in AP. We can divide or multiply by same number. They will also remain in AP. Okay, if we will divide by same number, this is B and C by K, they remain in AP. Okay, now if you see here, we have 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. Prove that B plus C by A, C plus A by B and A plus B by C are in AP. Correct? So if, let's say, if we have this, let's suppose we have this, if we will prove that 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are in AP, that will be also okay. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's say we have this part, means B plus C by A, C plus A by B and A plus B by C, okay, are in AP. They are in AP. Okay. So guys, if we add them, add 1 to each term, B plus C by A plus 1, C plus A by B plus 1, A plus B by C plus 1 are in AP. Correct? They should remain in AP. Yes or no?
Yes.
Should I just write A plus B plus C by A? Then here also C plus A by C plus A plus B, or should I just write A plus B plus C again by B and A plus B plus C by C are in AP? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you can see we have A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C common term in all three numbers. Okay. So if we divide each term by A plus B plus C, I think it should give us the result 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are in AP. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Understood? That's how we can do.
Yes.
Okay, don't try to use B minus C or C minus A, C minus B equals, right? In that case, you will struggle. Now, next question. Do it. Do this one and tell me how you have solved. Do it. Done. Done. Is it done? Is it done? Is it done? Tell me how you did. Anyone? Anyone? Lohit?
Sir, we can add
Laiba?
and we can get a B plus C by A.
We can add?
One.
Okay.
So you have to do it 2 times. 2 times. Yes, sir.
2 times.
Definitely
What?
2 times.
Okay. Okay. 2 times. So, guys, what if, let's say, we have B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, and we have A plus B minus C by C are in AP, correct? So, what if I do this? B plus C minus A by A plus 2, sorry, A, not 2, A, plus 2, C plus A minus B by, this is B, plus 2, and A plus B minus C by C plus 2 are in AP. Can we do that? Yes or no? Plus 2, I am doing, adding 2, I am adding 2, I am adding 2. So, it should give us what? B plus C minus A plus 2A by A, C plus A minus B plus 2B by B, A plus B minus C plus 2C by C are in AP. Yes or no? Hello. So, this should give you what? A plus B plus C by A, then A plus B plus C by B, then A plus B plus C by C are in AP, are in AP, correct? Hello, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Any doubt? No. Just from here we can say what? 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are in AP. Proved. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Next, do it. We have A square. We have to prove A square B plus C, B square C plus A and C square A plus B are in AP. Okay. Given A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, then B 1 by C 1 by A and that, right? Do it and tell me how you did. And guys, you have to attempt test tomorrow. I hope you are aware of that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you will not appear, you have to give valid reason. Okay. You have to appear for that test pay. Okay. So do appear and see where are you, and do let me know if you want any help. Laiba, if you are traveling, I think traveling. Don't know what to say. So what to do here? Do you have any idea? Any idea? Anything?
First way, so we add, we multiply with A and
We should multiply with A.
A.
Okay. First we wanted B plus C, correct? So let's take this one, right? Let's take this. So we have A 1 by B plus 1 by C, then B 1 by C plus 1 by A, and C 1 by A plus 1 by B, correct? Hello? Okay, R in AP. R in AP. Hello? Yes or no? Now let's just
Yes,
take
sir.
the LCM. Take the LCM. I just wanted to make B plus C, C plus A and A plus B here. Okay, that is why I am taking LCM. So it should be BC, B plus C. Yes or no? Then we have B, C plus A by CA, then C, A plus B by AB. R in AP. R in AP. Now can we do one thing here? See, we got everything. So if we multiply and divide by A here, multiply and divide by B here, multiply and divide by C, will that help? Okay. So this should
Yes,
be
sir.
A square B plus C by ABC, then B square C plus A by ABC, then we have C square A plus B by ABC. R in AP, and I hope you know now what to do. ABC, 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 we have ABC, 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 common one. We can get rid of that, eliminate that, right? So therefore, A square B plus C, B square C plus A and C square A plus B are in AP. Done. Easy. These are easy one. Let's move. Shall I move?
Yes.
Next. ABC are in AP. Show that A into AB plus BC plus CA, B into CA C plus A by CA, C into A plus B by AB are also in AP. So simple, we have this, we have to just prove that ABC are in AP. I'm waiting. Let's see how you will do it. Okay. Chalo. Let's do it. So what do we have? We have A, B plus C by A, B, sorry, BC, not ABC, BC. Okay. Then what do we have? B, C plus A by CA. Then we have C, A plus B by AB are in AP. Okay. So guys, can we just multiply?
Sir, we can multiply with, for the first one, we can multiply A into B plus C by ABC. Then for the second, B into C plus A by ABC. When we cut and I think we can get it.
Okay, so in that case, we will have a square by abc, you know, a square b into c.
No, sir. A will not be there. It will be A B plus C by B C. A will multiply and divide.
Okay,
So A will cut.
so you want me to write like this, means multiply like this, ab plus ac divided by bc, and then you wanted
Not
to,
like
so
not like that. I mean A into. I'll just write in the chat. A into.
so you want me to write a here, no? A.
Plus,
Okay, see what I'm
like this.
okay, how?
This, the chat. I've written the chat. I think if we do that, we will get like A into B plus C by B C.
I
B
haven't
into
I
C plus A
haven't
by C.
I haven't got that chat. Scroll.
I have written it.
Wait, I have to scroll, I think. Scroll. Okay, so a, that's what I'm saying, no? A square b plus c by abc, correct? Then you will get rid of
But
abc, correct?
yeah,
Then we will have a square b plus a square c. Okay, see what we can do here, guys. See what we can do. We can just multiply, correct? So this should be what? AB plus AC by BC. And can we add plus 1 BC plus AB by CA plus 1, okay? CA plus BC by AB plus 1 are in AP, correct? So should I write AB plus BC plus CA by BC, yes or no? Then again AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA by CA. Hadi, is it clear?
yes.
Are in AP. Okay, IL. Understood? Now,
Yes,
now we can get rid of this ABC, AB plus BC plus CA. Same. So here we have 1 by BC, then 1 by CA, then 1 by AB are in AP, correct? And we can do one more thing, multiply by A, ABC, then B, ABC, then C, ABC are in AP, yes or no? Hello. So from here we can see A, B, C are in AP. Understood? They might ask in your school exam, right, these type of questions. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Everyone? Sanvi, Idris,
yes, sir.
Purva, everyone? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, we all know this, already told you. Now we have a thing that is called geometric progression. Okay, GP. We'll solve few more questions after this. After GP, we will see questions related to AP, means JEE Mains question. Okay, and we'll see. So a sequence which subsequent terms have common ratios is called GP. What is subsequent terms? Let's see AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4, and so on. Last term a r n minus 1. Okay. Now see here in this sequence, if you see, we have T1, this is T1, this one is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and then this one is Tn, correct? Tn. So can I just say here T2 by T1 equals to T3 by T2 equals to T4 by T3 and so on, and that is Tn by Tn minus 1. Okay, and that ratio Tn by Tn minus 1, that ratio is called R. Okay, this is called R. This is common ratio. Called common ratio. We'll talk about that also. Okay. So if you will check T2 by T1, AR by R, AR square by AR, okay, AR cube by AR square, again R, yes or no? So this type of sequence is called GP, geometric progression. Is it clear? Hello, is it clear? Now nth term, this is nth term. If you see nth term is called ARn minus 1. Nth term is AR to the power n minus 1. AR to the power n minus 1. This one. This is nth term. Okay, where A is first term and R is common ratio. Okay, and we all know. Is it clear? Hello? Okay. Now let's talk about its some question. Let me give you a question related to it. Okay. Okay. So let's suppose we have 1 x square, x cube, and so on, right? Okay, this is a sequence. Can you tell me nth term? Tn?
Sir, 1.
Nth term?
1.
Nth term is 1?
No, 1.
A is first term, right? So 1. First find the common ratio. R is what? Preceding term by previous term, right? X by 1, x square by x, like that. T2 by T1, T3 by T2, x to the power n minus 1. Understood? X to the power n minus 1. X to the power n minus 1. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is Tn. Tn is, again let me tell you, Tn is first term common ratio R to the power n minus 1. This is Tn. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing. See, common ratio. This common ratio R. We have A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on, AR to the power n minus 1 nth term. Okay. So this, guys, common ratio can be greater than, this common ratio can be greater than 1 or common ratio greater than 0 but lesser than 1. Okay, greater than 0 but less than 1. Two possibility here. If we have R positive, common ratio positive. Okay, so in that case, In this case we say increasing GP, right? Increasing GP. And in this case we will say decreasing GP. Understood? Okay, like for example, if you see, we have suppose 2 square, okay, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power n. Okay, this is a sequence. Tell me R. Tell me about R. R is greater than 1? R is 2 square by 2. 2 square by 2, that is 2. That is greater than 1. So this is increasing GP. Increasing GP. Now if we have this 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and so on. Okay, nth term. Tell me nth term. First, tell me nth term. And also R. Tell me R. R is 1 by 2. Yes or no?
1 by 2.
R is 1 by 2, which is lesser than 1 but greater than 0. Okay. So in this case, this GP is called decreasing one, decreasing GP. This is increasing GP. Increasing GP. Tell me Tn. Tell me nth term. Tell me the nth term.
1 by 2 raised to
1 by raised to
1 by 2 raised to
1 by 2 power n minus 1. Okay. What if R equals to 1? What if R equals to 1? Constant GP, right? If R equals to 1, then it is constant GP. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me give you question. Should I give you question or just cover the term? Question. We have seen positive 1, we have seen 0 to 1, we have seen equals to 1. You might also ask this, no? You might also ask that, sir, what if R is negative? If R is negative, okay, if R is negative, then GP will be of alternating term. Alternating sign. Is it alternating sign? Means if R is negative, let's say R is negative. Negative means, let me think. Let's suppose we have minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4. Is it minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4, then minus 8, then 16, like that. So is it alternating term? Check and tell me. Hello?
Yes, it is
Alternating. So in that case, can you tell me Tn? Can you tell me Tn? Tn.
Minus 2, minus 2.
First R. If we'll see R, that would be 4 by minus 2.
Then it wouldn't be 3.
Correct? That would be minus 2. So first term and R to the power n minus 1. Yes or no? So should I write minus 2 to the power n? Okay. Okay. So these are something about GP, its general term, and about R. Now we have sum of n terms of GP. Sum of n terms of GP. That is the important part. Sn. Sn guys, Sn. Sn means A plus AR square plus AR cube and so on, A R to the power n minus 1, correct? Hello, is it?
Yes.
Now we can do one thing. See how we will solve, how we can find the sum. We know its common ratio is R, correct? Its common ratio is R. Now multiply both side by R, okay? R into Sn, R into Sn, R into Sn. When we will multiply, it will give you AR. So can I write AR here? Then AR square, then AR cube and so on. We have here AR to the power n minus 1 and plus AR to the power n. Yes or no? You all tell me. You all tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hello, is it? See what I did? What I did here? I multiplied by R in this series, okay? R means common ratio. R means common ratio. Now we can subtract. So this is minus, 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 we have here minus and minus, right? So can I just write here Sn minus R into Sn, and this is gone. If you see, this is gone, right? Gone, each and every part, okay? So here we have A and we have minus of AR to the power n, or we can write Sn 1 minus R equals to A 1 minus R to the power n divided by, not divided by, or Sn equals to A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. Hello, yes or no? See.
So why did you put A in the second equation? R and
Why I didn't put? See, no, I multiplied this equation by R. So when you will multiply, do we have A here? No. I multiplied this one, this series by R. See, R into Sn. So if we have R into Sn, then we have to multiply here by R. So we will get AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4 like that, and here we have AR to the power n minus 1 into R, that is plus 1. So gone. So see, we have AR to the power n. Understood?
yes.
Okay. So guys, this is our sum formula for GP, sum of GP, right? This is sum of GP, and in that GP, what is the thing in this case? Tell me. Can R be 1? Can R be 1 in this here? Right, R cannot be equals to 1. R cannot be equals to 1. What if? So if we have Sn, then it is A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R, okay, where R should not be equals to 1. What if R will be 1? Then what will happen? What will be the sum? Tell me, what would be the sum? Infinity?
Not infinity. Divided by
Sn is AR plus AR square plus AR cube and so on, AR to the power n minus 1, correct? Now we are saying put R equals to 1. So if you will put R equals to 1, it should be A plus A, no? A plus A plus A plus A, right? N terms. These are n terms. Yes or no? So should I write NA when R equals to 1? Hello? This should be NA.
yes.
NA. So this is sum of GP. Understood? Hello. What if r is less than 1? What if r is less than 1? Then we know what to do. This should be negative and negative. We will change. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that doesn't matter. Sn is a into r to the power n minus 1 by 1 minus r. Simple. Okay. Now this is the formula. A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, or a 1 minus r to the power n by r minus 1. Both the things. Proof already told you about the proof. Okay. Now we have a question here. Find the sum up to n terms. Find the sum up to n terms. Find the sum and tell me. Done?
So,
3n by 3. So first find r. Tell me about r.
10 minus 2. Sir,
R
1
is,
plus 2 raised to n by 3.
sorry?
1 plus 2 raised to n by 3.
Oh, r is minus 2. Correct?
Yeah, minus 2. Yes, sir.
R is minus 2. And a we have this. This is nothing but 2 to the power 0. Right? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So Sn. Sn is first term. First term is a. And guys, see, whenever if you write Sn equals to a 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, if you can use this when r is lesser than 1. Correct? Okay. We may use this r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Correct? Hello. So we have minus. You can take anything. It will automatically give you a result. So should I write? Okay, I am writing that. Okay, whatever. Just write r is not equals to 1. So 1 minus 2 to the power n, okay, divided by 1 minus 2. Yes or no? So this would be 1 minus 2 to the power n divided by 3. Yes or no? Tell me, up to n terms.
Yes, sir. 1 plus 2.
Okay? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now next, we have a question here. In a GP of 64 terms, the sum of all the terms is 7 times the sum of all the terms is 7 times the sum of the odd terms of the GP. Then common ratio of GP is equals to what? Okay, what they are saying, there are 64 terms in a GP. Sum of all the terms is 7 times sum of odd terms. Sum of all the terms. Sn is we have n 64, I think. Is it 64 terms?
Yes, sir.
N is 64 terms. n is 64. They are saying, okay, I'm try, you try it and tell me, try, do it. Easy question, I'm saying easy question is so easy, okay, not that tough. See, we have a, we have ar, right, ar square, ar cube, ar to the power 4, ar to the power 5, right, ar to the power 6, and so on. Last ar to the power 63. N minus 1 means 63. Correct? Hello? Okay. Now, they are saying its sum. So, just write the sum of this 64 terms. A into r to the power or 1 minus r, whatever you can write. Can I write r to the power 64 minus 1 divided by r minus 1? Okay?
Yes, we can.
Okay. And that should be equals to 7 times the sum of odd terms. 7 times the sum of odd terms. Odd terms means a. Correct? Odd terms means a. Then we have ar square. Then we have ar to the power 4. Odd terms. Ar to the power 4. Guys, then what? So on? Yes or no? Yes or no? We just wanted to know common ratio. Can you say common ratio here? What is the common ratio? Common ratio? R square? And we have 32 terms. We have 32 terms. Yes or no? Because we have 64 terms, then there will be 32 terms odd and 32 terms should be even. Correct? Okay. So, we have 32 terms here. Is it clear? Now, can we just write common ratio? Common ratio is r square. So, r square to the power 32 minus 1 divided by r square minus 1. Yes or no? You tell me. Tell me, and there will be a also. Tell me guys. Tell me. See, if I'll say your sequence series is over. If I say sequence series is over, because you know GP now, you know AP now. AP and GP you have to study only. Correct? As per CBSE syllabus, your school syllabus. Okay? But we have to do it, right? We have to learn. So, can I just say this A here, not there. So, this A and A gone. A and A gone. So, this is what? R to the power 64, R to the power 64 minus 1 by R minus 1 equals to 7. This is also R to the power 64 minus 1 by R minus 1 and R plus 1. Yes or no?
Then we can use the a square minus b square.
Yes, this is gone. Okay. R minus 1 and R minus 1 gone. So, can we just write R plus 1 equals to 7 and R equals to 6. See, is it, is this question tough? Is it tough?
No, sir. Everything is given.
Right? Easy question. Okay, it is up to you. Next, properties of GP. Properties of GP. What is the property of GP? So if each term of GP, if each term of GP is multiplied or divided by same non-zero quantity, then the resulting sequence is also in GP. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second point, if you see in a GP, the product of two terms which are equidistant from first and last term is always constant, and that is equals to first term into last term. Okay. If you see here, T1 into Tn, T1 is A, correct? T1 is A and Tn is A r to the power n minus 1.
Yeah.
This is last term. This one is last term. This is last term. T2 is A r square into A r to the power n minus 2. This is n minus 2. Last term you can write what? A r to the power n minus 1. Yes or no? When you will multiply, you will get A square r to the power n minus 1. Here also, this is A square r to the power n minus 1. And this one we can write. Now you can write this. T2 is AR, no? This is AR. Okay. So AR into AR to the power n minus 2. Multiply. So when you will multiply, you will get the same thing. T3 AR square into A r to the power n minus 3. Same. Okay. You will get always A into L. Correct? Hello? Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now we have, if A, B, C are in GP, then B by A equals to C by B. B by A equals to C by B. Simple. So that is equals to B square equals to AC. B square equals to AC. Each term of GP be raised to the same power, then the resulting sequence is also in GP. Okay. What do you mean by that? Means, it means suppose we have A, AR square, okay, AR cube and so on, AR to the power n minus 1. This is GP. Now I wanted to square the number, all the numbers, right? Do the square. So it should be A square R square, A square R to the power 4, A square R to the power 6 and so on, A square R to the power 2n minus 2, correct? Okay. Now try to find out the resulting sequence, right? So they are also in GP, if you see. Understood? Understood? Okay. Now if GP is multiplied or divided by same non-zero quantity, then resulting sequence is also in GP. We already know. Okay. Then it is done. Now this is an important part. What? 3 numbers in GP, right? 3 numbers in GP. Then it will be always A by R, A and AR. Why? When you will multiply these, you will see we have only one constant, that is one variable, I think, not constant, A cube, right? So if you will see, if you will take four numbers in GP, that is A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. Okay. Then 5 numbers in GP, AR square, AR, AR square. Okay. This is important. Okay. This one is important. Now let's have a question. We have this. See, the dimension of a cuboid are A greater than B greater than C, correct? The volume 216, okay, and the total outer surface is given, A, B, C are in GP, Okay, A, B, C are in GP. Then we have to find C. Okay. So I'm giving you a hint, guys. I'm giving you hint. Okay. So these are the sides, dimensions. Okay, A, B, C. A is greater side, cuboid. Cuboid we all know. Okay. This is cuboid. Cuboid. Now, the longer side, this is A. Let's suppose this one B and this one is C. Okay. Now find volume is given. Volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid,
ABC.
LBH. So volume is A, B, C. Correct? And the outer surface area all, right? Surface area, simple.
Yes.
Surface area.
Yes, sir.
So what about surface area? Surface area twice of LB means AB plus BC and plus CA. Correct? Now what they are saying, ABC are in GP. Volume is 216 and surface area is 252. So if they are in GP, A is A,
Sir, we can.
B is AR, three numbers. We have to take three numbers. Okay. So three numbers, we have three numbers in GP, three numbers in GP. Should I write A by R? A and C is AR. Yes or no? Or you can take A by R, then A and AR. Hello? Can we do that? These numbers?
Yes. Yes.
Now use the information. You have information. Okay, let's do it. So multiply here. So what do we have? A by R into A into AR equals to 216. So R and R gone. So what do we have? A cube equals to 216. I think A is 6. Hello, is it? A is 6. A is 6. Now if A is 6, then we have one more information, that is twice of AB. AB means A square by R plus BC A square R. Then we have CA, that is A square by R to the R square. A square by R square, and that is equals to 252. We can take A square common. So 2A square, and what do we have? 1 by R plus R and plus 1 by R square. Is it? You can check.
Yes, sir.
Is it? No. Multiplication is wrong, no? This should be A square only. C and A plus 1. Okay? Plus 1. 252. So A square is 36. 2 into 36, and we can do one thing, that take the LCM R. Okay? Then it should be R square plus R plus 1. 2, 5, 2. 2, 1, 4 and 6. Divide, guys. So R square plus R plus 1 divided by R equals to 126 by 36. Solve and tell me the value of R. Do it. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is answer I know. Divide. Let me just simplify a bit. See, this is, don't do this, right? Don't do this. Just write 1 by r plus 1. Okay, so this should be 1 by r plus r and plus 1 equals to 126 by 36. Okay, 2. So it should be 63 and 18. 9 2s are 9 7s are. Okay, so we can write 1 by r plus r equals to 7 by 2, 7 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by r plus r equals to 5 by 2. Now we can do this, means r, this would be r square plus 1 equals to 5 by 2. 2r square plus or minus 5r and plus 2 equals to 0. So I think we got the result. So this is 2r square minus 4r minus r and plus 2 equals to 0. Yes or no? So 2r we can take common. So this should be 2r minus 1 into r minus 2 equals to 0. Hello? Okay? And we know,
Yes, sir.
this is of one of increasing AP, right? So what do we have? R equals to either 1 by 2 or 2, but r equals to 1 by 2 is not possible. In that case what would happen? I think okay, both can be the answer. Yes, both can be the answer, but we have option, right? We have option here. R equals to 2, r equals to 2. Understood? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Find R or C.
We have to find C.
C, right? Okay.
Sorry, we have to find C. We got R. Okay,
Yeah,
we got
so I
R.
think it is one.
So C is what? C we assumed what? AR. So if we see as C is AR, in that case AR means A is 6 into R. R is 1 by 2,
1 by 2
because
or 3.
this is of decreasing type. If you see, this is of decreasing type. Yes or no? A is greater, B is greater, decreasing type. So in that case we will take 1 by 2, right? We will take 1 by 2. So this should be 3, right? If there were nothing mentioned here, right, then in that case we can also take 2. Understood? So C is 3. C is 3. Sorry, I was thinking that R, about R. C. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. Now we have one more question. Sum and product of 4 positive consecutive terms of a GP are 1 to 6 and 1 to 96 respectively, then the sum of common ratios of all such GPs is. Okay. Sum and product of 4 positive consecutive terms of a GP. 4 consecutive terms. If you remember, 4 consecutive terms, AR cube, A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
4 consecutive terms. They are saying consecutive terms. We can take that, right? We can take that. So try finding out that thing. Okay, do it, try, give it a try, do it. Sum and product are given. You have to solve a bit, okay? So use your math. Sum and product. So A by R cube. Then the second number.
And
A by R, A by R, AR and AR cube. Okay, A by R,
Yes, sir.
then AR and AR cube. Okay, and they are saying sum and product. Sum and product. Product is given. So let's say product. Product we have 1296. That is AR cube into A by R into AR into AR cube equals to 1296. So from here we have A to the power 4 is 1296. Tell me A. Tell me A. 1296. What is A? Square of square. Square of square.
6.
6. Correct. A should be 6. A is 6. A is 6. Okay. Now sum is given. Sum means A by R cube plus A by R plus AR and AR cube, that is 126. 126. Okay, 126. So A we have already 6. So 1 by R cube plus R cube plus 1 by R and plus R. Can I write like this? 126. Hello. Now if you know maths, I hope you can solve this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 21. Okay. So A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B.
3AB, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A plus B whole cube minus 3AB. So 3AB gone, right? And then we have A plus B. And here we have 1 by R plus R equals to 21. So from here we have 1 by R plus R cube minus twice of R plus 1 by R equals to 21. Okay, I am saying assume R plus 1 by R as T. Let R plus 1 by R as T. So what do we have? T cube minus 2T minus 21 equals to 0. Find T. Find T. Find out T, guys. Find out T. Find out T. Find out T. What is T? What is the value of T? T cube minus 2T and minus 21. I can see one thing. T cube is, if let's suppose we have 3 to the power 3, 27 minus 6. 27 minus 6 is 21. 21 minus 21, 0. So I think T equals to 3. One solution for this cubic equation. Correct? T equals to 3. Find the other one. Divide. We all know. If you don't know, you just have to divide. T cube minus 2T minus of 21 T square. T cube minus 3 T square. Correct? T cube minus 3T square minus plus, this is gone, 3T square minus 2T. Okay, then we should write what? Plus 3T plus 3T. 3t square, then we have minus of 3 3s are 90, hello, and minus 21. So this is
Yes, sir.
minus plus, forget about this. This is gone, so we have 7t and minus of 21. So plus 7, 7t minus 21, gone. So we can write, guys, this one as t minus 3 and t square plus 3t and plus 7 equals to 0. Okay, so either t equals to 3 or t square plus 3t and plus 7 equals to 0. If you will find d from here, we can see 9 minus 28, d is negative, no solution for this one, correct? Hello, hello. We have already studied the quadratic. If d is negative, then there is no real solution. Okay, there is no real solution, no real solution in this case. So we have 3, t as 3, right? We have 3. Okay, so should I just keep this one like this? Okay, now t means r plus 1 by r equals to 3. Okay, so this means r square minus 3r plus 1 equals to 0. Hello, right? So from here we have 2 r's, means 2 roots, r1 and r2, r1 and
Yes.
r2, r1 and r2. So r1 plus r2 would be 3 and r1 into r2 is 1. Yes or no? They are asking if the sum and the product, okay, 1 to 6 respectively, then the sum of common ratios of all such GPs is. Sum of common ratios of all such GPs means we have to find R1 and R2. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Because when you will find R from here using quadratic formula or something, it will give you something irrational. Okay, so let's just find. So can I write R1 minus R2 square equals to R1 plus R2 square minus 4R1 R2? Yes or no? So this is 3 square minus 4, 3 square minus 4, 9 minus 4, 5. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have R1 minus R2 square. So R1 minus R2 we have root 5 and we have R1 plus R2 also. Let me see the answer, guys. Answer. We have to find, is something missing? No. Then such common ratios of all GPs is common ratios of all GPs. So common ratios of all GPs, R1 plus R2 is given 3, R1 into R2 is also given 1. So we can find R1 minus R2 and we can see the answer is root 5. Root 5. So guys, I can see R1 plus R2 equals to 3 and R1 minus R2 equals to root 5. This is gone. 2R1 equals to 3 plus root 5. R1 equals to 3 plus root 5 by 2. It's something missing means in question, because they are saying then the sum of common ratios of all such GPs. Okay, so we have two common ratios, then we have to find sum, no? So I think sum should be 3. Why we are doing anything? They are asking sum.
Yes, sir.
They are asking sum. So sum should be 3. Right? Sum should be 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
B is the answer. Why we are doing? We are finding out this that. Okay, the answer is 3. Let me check. 3 is not the answer, but 3 is not the answer. Three is not the answer. Why they are saying common ratios of all such GPs? R should be positive. Correct? R should be always positive. They are saying answer C. Answer is C. Why? C means 7. C means 7. 7, there is only one possibility. If we have R1 plus R2 whole square, then in that case R1 square plus R2 square and plus or R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 square equals to R1 square plus R2 square and minus 2R1 R2, right? But we don't have that. Why? See, I don't know. This 7 can only be possible if this is R1 square R2 square plus 2 R1 R2 equals to 9. So in that case we have R1 square R2 square plus 2 equals to 9. So R1 R2 square is 7. But they haven't said this, no? We have to find ratios. Okay. See, can you find the ratio of these, common ratio of these 4 terms?
Yes, sir.
Common ratio of these 4 terms? I think R square. Yes.
Yes, sir.
R square. So that is why. Okay. So common ratio from here, if you see common ratio should be R square. And here what do we have? We have R, R1 and R2. So we have to find R1 square and R2 square. Okay, that is why 7 is the answer. Okay, 7 is the answer, correct. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
No. क्या हो गया?
Sir, I have like high cold, sir. It's very irritating.
Yes, I can see.
Like whenever I come to India, I get cold.
So your immunity is weak. So you
I
should
don't know, like
you should exercise. See, I'm saying I was used to it. Means that cold. Okay.
I mean, it's not cold, it's heat in India. Like humidity is so much, but still it's very irritating. It just
Irritating,
makes
yes.
more angry. I feel that.
I know. So now infinite GP. Infinite GP. What do you mean by infinite GP? Let's say we don't know about that. Means AR square, AR cube, and so on. Infinity till infinity. So we have to find the sum for infinite GP. Okay, for infinite GP. And we all know Sn. Sn is A 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Correct? Hello? Okay. Okay. So there is two possibility. What? First, n is tending to infinity, guys. N is tending to infinity. If n is tending to infinity, and r is greater than 1. If n is tending to infinity and r is greater than 1. Okay, in that case, what would be S infinity? What would be S infinity? S infinity. See, r is infinity, right? Can we just write this one? Guys, if you do remember, 1 minus r into 1 to the power, this is like 8, a to the power n minus x to the power n minus y to the power n type, if you remember. 1 minus
Yes.
r, then we have 1 to the power n minus 1 minus, then we have 1 to the power, this would be plus 1 to the power n minus 2 into r, right? Then again plus r square, you will get this, right, till infinite, and here we have 1 minus r. Okay, now when you will put r infinity, it would give you infinite. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So in that case it would be infinity. But what if r is between -1 to 1? What if r is in between -1 to 1, -1 to 1? In that case, if n is tending to infinity, right, if n is tending to infinity, r to the power n should tend to 0, right, r to the power n should tend to 0. Understood? So in this case, s infinity should be what? A into 1 to the power 1, and we have 1 minus r. Okay, understood? So this is the case
Yes.
when we have infinite number of GP, means infinity. See, the sum of infinity is finite only when r is mod of r is less than 1 or r is between -1 to 1, and it is given by s infinity a by 1 minus r. Simple. Okay, now we have a question here. If you can see, okay, we have to find the sum, find the infinite term, sum of infinity. Okay, so what do we have? This is sum. So guys, can I write like this? 3 to the power 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube and so on till infinity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
S equals to. Okay, now main thing is we have to consider this one only. Let's suppose this is E, this one is E, or S infinite. You can write 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube and so on infinity. Correct? Everything is satisfied. Now if we have to find S infinite, if we have to find S infinity, then it should be first term, that is A, 1 by 1 minus, tell me R, S infinity, R is 1 by 3. In this case, R is 1 by 3. Yes or no? So this is 1 by 3. So what do we have? We have 3 by 2. Okay, take this side. So we have S equals to 3 to the power 3 by 2. Or should I write square root of 27? Hello? Can we do that? Okay. Next, the question. Read the question now. We have covered everything for GP also. Read the question. Read the question. Read the question. Okay. Second term, 31st and the last term of an AP are given. Okay. Find the first term and the number of terms. We have to find the first T1, that is A, and N. Second term means we have given AD, right, that is second term, and that is equals to 7 3 by 4. Okay, 7 3 by 4. Then they are saying 31st term, A plus 30D. Okay, so this is equals to 1 by 2. This is equals to 1 by 2. And then they are saying we have to find Tn, last term. Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and that is equals to minus 6.5. Can you solve this? We have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. Hello? Easy question. Do it. Do it and tell me the result. Easy question. Everyone. So guys, I think I have asked or not this one. I have to ask one question. So can you give me some feedback about your class? Means is pace is good, level of questions is good, or should I take easy questions, more easy questions, or something? Or you want something extra or something? Can you just share? Can you just tell me? Laiba, Lohit, Sanvi, Purva, tell me, is everything is going good, or should I add something, or should I do something else?
Like the level of questions are good. Like no problem. Yeah.
Are you understanding everything?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Perfect.
Okay. So why don't you guys appear for test then? Most of you I have seen that you don't appear for test usually. Why is that? Are you not finding those questions helpful?
Sir, I am taking the every time.
Yes, Laiba is trying. Yes, Laiba, I can see. Yes. Yes. Purva is there also. Yes. Okay. So I would say you should appear for test, right? When we give test, we know where we are standing, right? And it will help you to work on your weak part, right? You may have some parts, some topics, some questions, some concept which you are not getting. You could ask me, right? Okay. So again, I am saying, guys, I am with you all. Okay, I am on your side. Okay, I want you to do well. Okay, and you all are really smart, guys. Really smart. Okay, you can score really well. It's just you have to practice questions. You have to resolve your doubt, right? You will have to appear for the test. I don't think most of you actually solving DPP. How many of you are solving DPP also? None?
So most of the times, but sometimes it's hard to keep up with school and other things.
Okay. Okay, but I would say you should see there is no shortcut to excel in math, right? To excel in math, the simple thing is we have to solve question. The more you solve, the better you will become. That's simple funda. Okay, so solve as much question you want from any book, anything, right? And if you are facing something, you can ask me, right? Okay, so let's solve this. So what do we have? Here we have A plus D equals to 31 by 4 and A plus 30D equals to 1 by 2. Sometime I get disappointed that when I see that no one is attempting the test, no one is solving DPP, then I work on DPP, I work on test papers. Okay, so you all have to attempt. If you are not attempting DPPs, not solving questions, then waste of my energy also and your time and energy also, correct? So this is minus 29D, let's do it. 31 by 4 minus, should I write 2 here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this is minus 29D,
Minus
29 by 4, 29 gone, so we have minus 1 by 4. Okay, we got D. So if we have D, tell me A. A is 31 by 4 and we have minus D. So minus minus plus 1 by 4, should I write?
Yes, sir.
32 by 4, 8. This is 8. A is 8. So we got A and we got D also. So we have Tn. So minus 9 by 2 equals to A. A is 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 1 by 4. So minus 9 by 2 equals to, this should be 8 minus n by 4.
Sorry, plus 1 by 4, right?
Sorry?
Yes, sir. 8 minus n by 4.
Minus n by 4, minus 1 by 4, no? So this should be plus 1 by 4. So tell me, minus 9 by 2 equals to, can I write 32, 33 by 4 minus n by 4.
Yes.
You can just mute yourself, it would help. Take this n by 4 this side. N by 4, 33 by 4 plus 9 by 2. 4 LCM, 33 plus 18. How much? 51.
Yes,
51 by 4. So the last term is 51 by 4. 51 means Tn, that is last term. 12 3 by 4. Okay, and first term is A. First term is 8. T1, that is first term, that is 8. Answer. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. So we do have some more questions. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, prove that its 29th term is double the 19th term. Okay. Simple. 9th
Yes,
term
sir,
is,
it's easy.
question is really easy, right? 9th term, so A plus 8D is 0. Okay, we just have to find 29th term. Find T29, that is A plus 28D, correct? A plus 28D. Now they are saying we have to prove that 29th term is double the 19th term. Find T19. T19 is A plus 18D. Can we just write? Can we just write this? This should be what? A is minus 8D. A is minus 8D. So minus 8D plus 28D equals to 20D. And here we have minus 8D plus 18D equals to 10D. Simple. So T29 equals to twice of T19. Proved. Right? Okay. Same type question. Fourth term of an AP. Okay. Fourth term of an AP is thrice. The three times you can do that. Okay. These question you can do. I have to tell you one thing that is a more important question that most. Let me just see this one. See guys, we have Tn, right? We have Tn, and we have to find Sn. We have to find Sn. If your last term, or general term is given, and they are asking about sum, find the sum. How we will do that? We have to remember two things. First, do you know sum of n? Sigma n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so on n, right? So this is n into n plus 1 by 2, correct? Hello? Okay. Similarly, sigma n square, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on, n square. Do remember the formula, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Then we have sigma n cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and so on, n cube. Cube of sum of natural number, sum of cube of natural number, then it is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole power 2, it's square. Okay, so do remember. So if I write sigma 1, what is the case? What it is? This is n, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times. So here we have Tn, right? 4n minus s. Sn we all know. Sn is what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on plus Tn. Yes or no? Hello? So can I just write sigma, Sn is nothing but sigma Tn. Hello? Sigma Tn, summation of Tn, right? Hello? So in that case, can we write like this, 4n minus 7, 4n minus 7. So we can distribute sigma, means summation, like this. This is constant, this would be out of this sigma n minus 7 sigma 1. Okay. So we all know 4 and sigma n is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. Then minus 7n. Okay, minus 7n. 2 to the 4. So 2n n plus 1 minus 7n. You can multiply and you can just write. Okay, so this should be 2n square plus 2n minus 7n. Hello? 2n square and minus 5n, or n we can take common. So this is 2n minus 5. This is the answer. Understood? That's how we do this type of question. So whenever, see, already told you, whenever you will have Tn, general term, in this form, an plus b form, right? An plus b form. When you will do the sum, this is nothing but Sn, and this is of the form n square, Pn square plus Qn plus R, means quadratic form. Every time when you will solve sum Sn, you will get this type of form, quadratic form. Okay. Next, see, Sn is given, we have to find Tn. Sn is given and we have to find Tn, right? So we all know Tn. If you remember the formula, Tn is what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. You remember? Do you remember this? So what do you mean by Sn? Sn is 4n square plus 7n. And what about Sn minus 1? Sn minus 1 means we will replace n with n minus 1, right? So this should be 4 into n minus 1 square plus 7 into n minus 1. Okay. Can you solve this? 4n square plus 7n minus, this should be 4n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 7n and minus 7. This means 4n square plus 7n minus 4n square minus minus plus 8n then we have a minus 4 here, we have minus 4, right, minus 7n and plus 7, 4n square gone, 7n 8n minus 7n, this is also gone. So what do we have? 8n minus plus 3. See, we got Tn. Understood? Tn, and Tn is linear. Tn is linear. If you see, Tn is linear. 8n, right? 8n. Okay. Now, guys, we have few questions. Okay. From JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. Okay. I will take those questions. Okay, I will take all those questions when we will solve. Next class means when we will meet next Wednesday, right? So next Wednesday I will tell you about AGP, arithmetico-geometric series. Okay, okay, or some important series, important concepts. Okay, and if you want to ask anything, you can ask, right? Okay, these are simple questions, but bit tricky one. You have to use your dimag if you have. Okay, and I am assuming you do have brain, and you thinking brain, not unused brain. Common APs they ask often, right? There are few questions. So see, I have given you some questions in this slide. Okay, so I want you to at least give it a try. Okay, the means as much as you can do, right? But I hope you will solve NCERT, right? NCERT finish. Okay, you can do NCERT, all the questions, AP and GP both. Will you do it? Will you do it? Bolo bhai. Okay.
Yes.
good Ahil, good. Okay, do those questions, right? And at least try. I have given you some here. Okay, important one, good questions from JEE Mains and Advanced also. So you can try, and if you are solving and you have doubt, you can ask. I will tell you, and anyway, I will solve some questions from this. Okay, next class. Okay, on Saturday also.
Just how to develop that inkling like that when you attempt a question that we immediately get a sense of like, yeah, we have to do this question in this particular
In this
way,
particular
like that.
way, yes, correct. So again,
Yeah.
see, I didn't get by born, right? When I was solving question, I was learning maths, right? I used to solve questions. A lot of questions you have to solve. Okay, it will not develop in one day, right? It will take some time. Okay, the faster you are solving, the more question you are solving, you'll get to know, right? Now if you see some of question we have solved in this class, right? So if you will get anything like that of those concepts, are you not able to solve those questions?
Yes, I'm able to, sir. But
Yes,
I'm able
but
to add
that's
it.
the thing that we have to
But
solve
when I
question.
try from, I have tried some questions like in Instagram and all, I follow some pages. Okay, so
Okay,
sometimes I have to, I'm forced to look at the
see
solution to like
see
understand
see, the thing is how we should proceed. First, already told you, you should do class questions, right? Class questions first. At first redo. This is redo work, right? Redo. Then you all are ignoring DPPs, but we have to solve DPPs. That's why I give you those questions, so that you can have some practice of those concepts. Okay, so DPPs, and then you can use your textbook that you have NCERT or RD Sharma, okay, or if you have bought PW module, okay, then it is, you can use PW module, forget about NCERT, RD Sharma, okay. You have all those questions, all the basics are clear here, right? All the bases are covered there in PW module if you have. But if you don't have, then you can go with NCERT or RD Sharma. Try solving basic questions first, okay, basic questions.
Yes, sir.
Then if you understand that now I can solve these basic questions, then you can go with, again telling you, with previous year questions, PYQs, right? PYQs. And PYQs, first you should do your previous year question, means school exam or something, and then use your JEE Mains PYQ, right? So ultimately, see, for one topic, honestly I am telling you, if you have to excel in any topic, let's say we have AP and GP, sequence and series, so you should at least solve 100 to 150 questions, right? In those 100 to 150 questions, I would say 50 basic questions, basics question, I think 40 to 70, not 50, I think I should say 30 to 40 basic questions, right? And then you should solve around, again, 40 to 60 moderate type, right? And then around 30 to 50 questions, some JEE Mains or something, previous year question. Then you will get to know, if you are doing, at least you are doing these, then you will have some idea about these, okay, high standard questions, okay. So you have to solve questions, and if you are thinking that I will solve 10, 15, 20 question, and then I will try JEE Main question, JEE advanced question, I will be able to solve, it will be difficult, right? Okay. And you have to revise every time, okay.
Yes.
Okay, it will not one day, if you are consistently solving question, one day you will surely able to solve questions, okay. Okay.
Yes.
But I am assuming you can at least solve your NCERT and RD Sharma easily.
Yes,
Okay.
I can do that.
Okay.
I finished that and that previous limits and all are like easy.
Okay.
And said it.
RD Sharma is a book, maths book from here, India, and that is a really good book, right? To build foundations. Okay, NCERT won't help. I am saying NCERT won't help. NCERT is important for your exam. They ask questions from there, but if I would say for it will, if you are solving NCERT and you will become pro in maths or in that topic, no. Okay. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. We'll meet on Saturday and we'll solve some questions. Okay. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Bye bye guys. Bye. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Thank you.